from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico supervisors approve plans for a large data center and manufacturing complex, but deny plans for a 6-story apartment building in the West End. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute for Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. It's brought to you today by Pain-Free RVA.
And now for the news.
Well, the Henrico Board of Supervisors last week, after about 4 hours of discussion and public comment, approved Richmond developer Horrigan's rezoning plans for a 622-acre advanced manufacturing and data center complex to be known as White Oak Technology Park 2 in Sandston. That came despite largely negative public feedback during the meeting and before the Henrico Planning Commission in April. The complex will be located near White Oak Technology Park in the southeast corner of the I-64 I-295 interchange. Construction is likely to start within 2 to 3 years and build-out could take up to 10. Those opposed to the development cited environmental concerns, largely around water and energy usage. Also, the possible loss of a portion of the Savage Station battlefield on the site, and noise and air quality harms to neighbors. Verina District Supervisor Tyrone Nelson told the citizens who were opposed that their feedback had made a difference in the case nonetheless, saying, quote, even though it's not everything that you may want, a lot of these things that have been pushed and changed have been because of those persons who are speaking out, end quote. During last week's meeting, representatives for the applicant said that some of the site could be developed for artificial intelligence users. The applicant also agreed to make a $5 million donation that would fund the installation of solar roof panels for homes in the county, since those panels cannot be used on data center complexes. That's because many of the cooling components used to cool data centers are housed on their roofs. At its meeting last week, the Henrico Board of Supervisors issued a rare development denial, rejecting that provisional use permit request from Gateway Apartments that would have allowed the construction of a 6-story apartment building overlooking Parham Road. The denial came despite the proposal's endorsement from the Henrico Planning Commission and county planning staff members. Tuckahoe Supervisor Jody Rogish, however, raised concerns about traffic, density, and the height of the building, and the fact that Freeman High School, which the complex feeds into, is already nearly 5% over capacity. Rogish said that approving the case would have set a precedent and would not be consistent with the character of the area, which does not feature any other buildings of the same height. The existing zoning on the site allows construction of up to a 5-story building, but applicant Colony Apartment Homes sought a 6th floor in order to make the project economically feasible by adding 20 more units, according to its president, Stephen Alexander. Alexander said that without the approval, the project will not continue. It would have eliminated 20 existing apartments and added 100 new ones in the new building, as well as commercial uses on the 1st floor facing Parham Road. You can read more about this issue right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. A woman from Spotsylvania was stopped and arrested at Richmond International Airport's security checkpoint May 17th. The TSA officers found a loaded weapon in her carry-on baggage. She could now face a civil penalty of up to $15,000. It was the 13th time this year a weapon has been stopped at the airport's checkpoint, following 17 such occurrences all of last year. Is pain and uninvited house guests disrupting your life? It's time to call Pain-Free RVA and Dr. Joseph Capri. Dr. Capri offers the best blend of chiropractic, massage, and physical therapy focused on each patient's specific needs to help provide long-lasting relief. In fact, he boasts an 88% success rate in getting patients out of pain and back to their lives in just 3 visits. Text Dr. Capri at 804-596-5232 or visit painfreerva.com. If you're in pain, get it to go away at Pain-Free RVA.